Hi everyone, this is Carol again, and I tried to do a live, but I couldn't because I didn't find the webcam again, so I will have to continue to work on that. But I thought tonight, since I have internet again, I haven't had internet for a couple days here, and so I thought tonight I would get back on. Hopefully the internet doesn't leave again, but so I thought I'd get back on and talk a little bit more about cleaning with essential oils. Again, um, it's important to, when we clean, I think I've said it before, is cleaning your house hazardous to your health? It can be, because you're using chemicals to clean your house, and that's how you get toxic overload. Um, you know, and you can get pretty sick by cleaning your house. I know sometimes people use a lot of bleach because they think they need bleach to kill the germs. Um, that's really hazardous. So I have quit using all those hazardous chemicals in my house. And so tonight I was going to talk about another oil that I use for cleaning, but I also use it for other things, and that is Purify. Purify oil is a nice, refreshing smell. It's a nice, clean smell. And there's so many things that you can do with this bottle, and you don't need very much of it. That's the nice thing about oils. Now, are all oils created equal? No, they're not. If you want to make sure that when you're going to use oils for cleaning, for cleaning, you want to make sure that you get pure oils. There's a difference in the oil as how it's distilled, where it's from, the soil that the plant is even grown on makes a difference. And you can't look at the oil because it's not going to say, they don't have to say what's in the oil. So do some research. Make sure that the oil that you have is pure, like doTERRA oils. These are certified pure therapeutic grade oils. So, they're pure. Well, let's talk a little bit about Purify here. I have used Purify for ear infection. Put it on the outside of your ear, and that helps with ear infection. So I would just go like this, on whichever ear it is, and it usually helps within not too long. By the next day, it's usually all better. I have used it for getting rid of like a kidney infection, and rub it in the kidney area and or UTI. Those are some things. Now, I also need to say that they're not forgot how to say it. Anyway, it's not going to be the same for everyone. So these oils are not made to cure anything. They won't. They're not. They just are not to cure anything. They can help. But anyway, so when you want to clean your house, this is a really good oil to have on hand. I have it on hand all the time, and I use it a lot when I'm cleaning my house. I love the smell of it. So a few different things that I've used it for. If you have a cat, and you can use it in the cat litter box. I mix it with baking soda, and you never smell the cat litter box. It's great. You can go by where the cat litter box is, and you don't smell cat. So I like that. I've used it on my carpets to clean them. I use it in the toilet to clean the toilet. And there's just so many things you can use it for. So when you, if you want to learn more, I mean, you can use it in the refrigerator. You can use it on the stove. So there's just so many different ways to use it. You can make a laundry detergent out of it, with it. So on the 12th, when I have this class, you will want to come back and join me in this class, because we'll be talking about another. We'll be given a lot of ideas and some DIYs for cleaning your house. And one of the things we're going to talk about, of course, is going to be Purify. So I'd love to see you come back for the class on the 12th and join us. It's a Zoom class, so it'll be online, so you don't have to leave your house. You can just join us online. So I'm excited about doing this class, and I would love to see you. So I hope you can come join us, and I hope you have a great day. I talk to you later. Bye-bye.